Come test drive the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.